Students, today we learn days of week. Days of week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, सैटरडे, संडे। अब उर्दू में यही पढ़ेंगे पीर, मंगल, बुध, जुमेरात, जुम्मा, हफ्ता।